We're out here at this lake. Me and Ryan are on the kayaks. We're frog fishing. Second fish of the day for me, about a 2-pounder on a copper lead target frog. Yeah, so we've just been flipping cover and giving natural presentation, and they've been working on it pretty good. We'll get back to you with some more fish. Alright guys, third fish for me. Ryan's got none. It's about another 2.5 on the frog on the kayak, but hopefully we get into more fish. But it's kind of slow, but hey, that's fishing. Alright guys, we'll get back to you with some more kayaks again. I just hooked up on like a maybe 1-pounder. Get him in. Got a perfect hook set on him. Right through the top. Nice little 1-pounder. Get a release on him. Fourth fish for me. Alright, Ryan's on a fish. Frog fish. I just caught one literally last cast. Is he a good one?
He's pretty good.
Nice. Sweet. That's our 5th fish. Alright, Ryan's gonna release
we'll
this
get
fish.
back this fish. There you go.
Alright guys, we're out here and we're fishing the frog again, and that's the biggest one of the day, probably a 3-pounder, maybe a little bigger. It's a nice slab of a fish. Oh yeah, but he blew up. He missed it once, he came back and swallowed it, but get the release on him real quick. There he goes. Hands on one. Get back to you. Nice one. 2.5.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I just saw Sam's fish. He just missed it.
Jackass.
I know, I'm a jackass, I don't care.
It's alright, I'm still beating him 6-1. I mean 6-2.
Yeah, I'll show it to y'all real quick. He's a good little chunk.
Topwater frog, man. Hold it up. There you go.
He's about a 2. Good 2 maybe.
Alright, literally.
We'll get back fish right up here, but here's a release.
Alright, Ryan just caught that one. Right there, just blew up. 6-3 now.
That was good.
Yep.
We're killing them on these frogs. That's not a very big one, but he fought pretty hard. He's probably about a 1.5, 1 maybe, but
Alright.
we'll get back with you.